In this video, we'll discuss how Mexican citizens can visit and work in the United States. We will explore the available visa options, including the B1/B2 visitor visa and work visa categories, like the TN visa and employment-based visas. We aim to provide a general understanding, but please remember this is not legal advice. Consulting an immigration lawyer for detailed inquiries is recommended. This video will cover, first, the process for visiting the U.S. using a B1/B2 visa. Second, working in the U.S. with appropriate visas like the TN visa and employment-based options. And finally, a disclaimer emphasizing the need for consulting legal experts. We'll start by discussing visiting the U.S. Mexican citizens can apply for a B1/B2 visitor visa, which allows for tourism or short business trips. The approval process considers ties to the applicant's home country and the visit's purpose. A visit should be temporary and clearly defined to increase the chances of approval. This process involves applying and interviewing at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Next, we'll discuss working in the U.S. It's important to note that a B1/B2 visitor visa does not permit employment. Working in the U.S. requires different visas. The TN visa is available for professions in the USMCA agreement, requiring a job offer. Employment-based visas are employer-sponsored, targeting high-skilled roles, and include rigorous processes and documentation. Other visas may be available depending on individual qualifications, but are less common. Let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Question: what is needed to apply for a TN visa? Is it 1. A valid U.S. job offer in an approved profession? 2. A B1/B2 visa? 3. No visa required for working? Or 4. A sponsorship from a friend? You may pause the video to think about your answer. We will reveal and discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is a valid U.S. job offer in an approved profession. This is required for applying for a TN visa, as it's specifically for professions listed under the USMCA. The process is simpler compared to other employment-based visas, but it still necessitates a pre-arranged job offer. For employers considering hiring foreign workers, it's crucial to follow legal compliance strictly. Employers must adhere to immigration procedures to avoid penalties and legal issues. Because immigration laws can change frequently, consulting an immigration lawyer is highly advisable to stay updated and compliant. In conclusion, Mexican citizens can visit the U.S. with a B1/B2 visa, but must obtain appropriate visas like the TN or employment-based visas to work legally. Hiring legal experts is recommended for specific immigration queries and to ensure compliance with the law. Thank you for tuning into our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. We would also love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments.